Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're looking at District0x or the DNT token. This video will mostly focus on price action, but we'll also look at some of the things that they have been doing. So the project basically came out back in 2017. As you can see, after that it had a massive rally. So it actually ended up hitting above or 40 cents, something like that. After that, back in 2021, it actually ended up getting listed on the Coinbase and it had a massive rally again. So it actually ended up peaking around 30 cent, and again back in March of 2024 it actually ended up hitting like 15 cent or something like that, and back in December it actually went as high as 7 cent, and as of now it's at 22.8 cent. So there's a pretty good chance that it could actually see a pretty good rally as of now, since we are in the earth season. So this token usually sees unusual volumes, and usually it usually goes down as well. So as of now it could be a good time to load some of the token again. This token has been fairly stable around 2 cent to 30 cent 30 cent, as you can see, but from time to time it does see the pretty good price jumps. Now if we talk about if they are doing anything or not, if we just look at their GitHub, they are working. As you can see here, they usually see some commits, so I would say the project is alive as of now. And they are if you don't want to know what the district is, basically districts are the decentralized applications, marketplaces, and communities that exist in non-custodial censorship resistance DApps in the District0x network. So all the internet citizens will be able to deploy districts to the network free of charge forever. Now as of now, from my understanding, they have like these different districts. There is Ethlands, Nembaza, we have Meme Factory, Steamtide, Future, District0x project, and your own district, and something like that. Now the good thing about the project is that they do have a roadmap. As you can see, now as of now they are working on deploy new district to the network, district extendability. After that they have DAO development. They are still working on the DAO, so once it goes live, I think the demand for the token should go up as well. Now they have something called transparency reports, and this is where I think things get really interesting. So they do publish the transparency report, and as of now they have Q1 report, as you can see here, and they basically have published detailed information on their districts and how they are doing, and they also have marketing report as well. As of now, this are working on leveraging AI agents to enhance users acquisition and engagement. So let's see what happens. And as of now, AI is in their focus, but overall things I think are pretty much the same. If we look here, even if we look at the Q3 expenses, the expenses are a lot, I would say. Again, they have gone down, but still these expenses are a lot in general, I would say. Now if we look at the balance sheet itself, as of now they have like 8.9 million worth of BTC, they have like 7 million worth of ETH, and they have like 4 million worth of DNT token, and they also hold some GRT as well. As you can see here, they don't have any stable coins whatsoever, as you can see. And as of now, at least from the looks of it, they do not have any short-term debt, so I would say that's pretty good for the project in general. Overall, I would say things are fairly good for the project as of now. Again, I think they do need to publish Q2 report soon, so that we have more idea, but as of now the Q2 report is not available. Now if we talk about their Twitter or their X, they don't have anything that much going on. They did release their quarterly update about overall crypto market and what they have been doing, but beside that there isn't anything that is groundbreaking in the report as of now. Again, they are working on AI agents, so I would say that's it. And if we look at some of their ecosystem, we have Steamtide, which is basically dead. As you can see, they don't have anything going on here. And even if we look at Aqua Prime, it is fairly active. So Aqua Prime is active, but it is not getting any engagement whatsoever. So they don't have any comments, they barely have some likes and barely some retweets. So it seems like that overall it's not going that well. Now, as of now, it has a market cap of 21 million and it usually sees a massive pump. So I think if the traders, or even if we do see some kind of whale buying, things could change for the token as well. In general, it has a max supply of 1 billion and the token itself is available on some of the exchanges that includes Upbit and others, as you can see. But again, I think if we see a slight increase in volume, things could change for the token as of now. So what I would be looking at as of now, I would be looking at for, let me just draw this trend line. So the token has been in downtrend ever since, I would say ever since March of 2024, and if it breaks above this trend line, and as of now it is trying to, and it did make one attempt as you can see, but it couldn't. So I think if it makes another attempt and if it closes above this trend line, we could be looking at a massive price surge. So I think if it sees if it breaks this trend, we would be looking at like as high as 6.4 cent, or even I would say 8.2 is a possibility. But again, this, I think this token is at the mercy of the whales, and if the whales decide to pump this coin, I think it will be much easier to push this token higher. And again, it does usually it has been in this trend ever since, I would say April. So again, even if it goes down, I would be looking at like 2.5 cent, or even I think 2.6 should be a pretty good entry point for the token as of now. But again, I think it is trying to make a perfect setup, and if it breaks out from here, we could be looking at the price increase of, I would say, if we just look here, 74%, or even over 100% is a possibility, and it has done that in the past. So even if we look here, this rally back in 2024 March, the token basically ended up going from it went from like 2 cent to as high as 20 cent, which was like over 800% price jump. I would say it is possible, but as of now it does need to break above from this downtrend. As of now, I think as we are in the season, there will be a lot of sleeping tokens that will most likely see big price pumps. These most of them will most likely be one of those tokens that launched back in 2021, or even back in 2027 or 2017. So let's see what happens, but I think there is a pretty good possibility that DNT could basically 2x from here. Anyways, we'll see what happens. This was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.